Yo, people, welcome to my Twitch. Hit that follow button, don't be a bitch.
Look inside the car. We look so funny.
We're all fucking monkeys, man. We don't have.
The American will drive the Jeep.
We don't have the fuel, man. We can't.
Oh my.
Oh! I know you're all for the boobs. I gotcha. I got better boobs than them, man. I can move them, man. Look at this. Jebem ti kabel, ti jebem. I hate the kabel, man. Look. Look at this guy. He doesn't even hear that I'm taking his car. Look at this. Bye bye, my friend. Bye bye. Shit, this is stressful. Ej, jebem ti mater. Ej, jebote otac. Joj, man. Pička ti materina. Ma shut up you and your Twitch. Jebem ti mater. Ti jebem mater. Ti jebem mater. Jebem ti mater always. Pička mu materna. Jebem ti mamu. Look. What the fuck?
Is that? Why you kill me?
How could I kill you, bro?
Please, but you shot me. He was dead.
I shot the car. Are they dead? Watch out.
I think they died. By the bombs.
Oh, there goes another car. Watch out, watch out. Where are you? You're dead! Poho! I shot you, pička ti materna! I shot you first, mamu ti jebem! I clicked before he shot me and nothing happened. Mrš! Fucking buggy game! Oh! Oh, I fucking vaporized the guy, man. Oh my god! How can I get now car? How can I get the car now, guys? What is wrong with this game, man? Second time in 3 days, man. Fucking buggy game. What? 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 The guy didn't die, I shot him first. Fucking buggy game, man. Direct hit, man. See? You see what I said? See what I said? See? What? Is wrong with this fucking game, man? Fuck you, Daybreak. Fuck you, H1Z1. Fuck you, developers. God damn it! I'm the Terminator, bro. Some other guy shooting. Fucking again, man! Look at this car! Always going in the middle of the rocks. Pička mu materna. I want twice. You just missed the awesome win, Baka. We were 4 guys playing in 5s. My guys got shredded. Totally. They got fucking gangbanged. You know, DJ Cookie was on the knees sucking, gagging, Diggy busy getting in the ass. I survived. They tried to anal me, but I survived. You know, I ran away as much as I could. And then I saw my guys died from getting shit in the ass and throating. And then I came back, bombed those motherfuckers, dropped them down, and burned the fucking last mofo. You should see that that was flawless victory. My guys were rolling in the grave of happiness. I didn't reload? Serious? I didn't fucking reload before or what? I reloaded the fucking gun in the fucking trailer. Jebem ti mater. Jebem mater. Yeah, he's a new guy, so he doesn't know me, so don't be harsh on him, guys. Fuck, there are guys here, man. Give me the helmet, pičku maternu. Pa jebem ti mater kempersko, ti jebem mater. Mrš pička ti materina kemperska. Jebem ti mamu, pičku. Ti jebem mamu. This guy is a fucking, I don't know, man. That's the guy who's jumping, man. This guy he's a fucking hacker. I literally destroyed my car. God damn it! God fucking damn it, fucking camper! Did you see the camper hiding there, man? Look at that woman, what the hell are you doing, Čevape? Come over here! Jebat ću te! Come over here! Jebat ću te majke mi! Come over here! Bitch! Skidaj gaće! Good, ran over this guy. I ran over that! I ran over that guy, man! What the fuck? I ran over the guy! He didn't fucking die, man! This is unbelievable fucking daybreak, jebem ti mater. Ti jebem mater daybreak. What the fuck is this, man? You run over the guy, he doesn't die, man. You shoot him with a shotgun, he doesn't die. Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable, man. Fucking believable, man. Jebem ti mater, man. Jebem ti mater I tromajku sve ti jebem. Ti jebem mater, man. Why does have to be there fucking 10 planes all the time, man? This is annoying, man. I gotta call Daybreak and fuck them up, man. What the fuck is wrong with your planes? If there is one crate, one plane, stop it. The fucking plane goes 5 times, man. Jebem ti mater! Where does this guy came from, pizda? He's here. I shot him. I shot the bitch. He bled like me. He should die and he didn't die. You wouldn't joke. Daybreak! I salute you. Congratulations. Amazing. I love you so much, Daybreak, man. You are the best.
You win. Perfect.
So good. Amazing. I love this. This game is awesome. What is happening here, man? What the fuck am I watching here, guys? I'm going to the fucking Twilight Zone, man. This is a fucking Twilight Zone.
You're entering the Twilight Zone. Your soul is mine.
He's gonna think I see him. See? I was behind the rock, man! I was behind the fucking rock! How many times I got killed because I was behind the rock? He killed me with fists, man! God. Four fucking guys!
Shit.
We're dead.
Let's run.
Run, run!
Run, Dino. Don't fight him. Don't fight him. Come on. Come on. Inside the store. Get your ass inside the store. Come on. Come on.
I'm a sandwich, man. I shot her in the fucking face with a shotgun! Oh shit, the dog is here, guys.
Damn dogs. Sorry, man.
We got the dog here, guys. We love the dog, man.
That's the little ones. You ought to hear the big one bark.
That's the little one? Oh.
Yeah, that's the little one. The big one's like...
Woof! Woof!
He freaking tried to jump through the sliding glass door to
Woof! Give me the sausage! Dagger! Woof! I'm gonna eat your leg!
He almost shit his pants.
No, for the armor! Ah! He shot me through the door! Fucking game! Ah! Oh my, look at you! The fucking...
Koj kurac!
Ah, for him the doors were open, but for you weren't. That's a bug. What a cute couple. Hyper. Hyper Hadouken. What? This is a tight vagina. I like to go to tight vagina. What the fuck? You never seen tight vagina? Look at me. I'm like, woo! Dropping in tight vagina. Woo!
Where is Clint? Where is Clint?
Clit is up there. Woo! She squirted me off, man. Whoa, man, that was goddamn sexy.
Curses and so on. So
Everybody knows our curses.
actually, oh, 91 is good.
Oh, you noob! That was a nice kill! Oh, looted! Looted, Peachke, looted! Where are everybody? I wanna have a party. I wanna get some kills. Gay. Okay. We gotta get people behind. Come over here. These apps! Come in, pizda! Where are you running? No! Oi! No! I died! You survived! What the fuck is this? Look at Extreme Alive, look at that. What kind of game is this, man? How the fuck did you survive? He died. Were you behind? Were you behind?
Yeah.
He was saying because he was behind, man. You feel like, oh, look at him. Diggy Busy went underground. Whoa. Diggy Busy. Did you lose or I lost? I'm a preacher. You sinners! You're always doing some problems. The God didn't allow that you have 3 women in the same time in the bed. The God said 10 or nothing. Go big or home. We won. What the fuck? We won without the kill. That should never happen, man. Oh my God. fuck, man. Can't fucking.
Damn, Dino!
God damn it, man! I didn't. God damn it, man! I didn't have the place anymore on my table, man. How many fucking potato shots we had, man? 10. Jebem ti. Kaj je to bilo, model? What the fuck was that? You see what he did? You see what he did? What the fuck was that, man? He's like a fucking breakdancer, man. That guy was cheating, man. What the fuck was that? He was like fucking Matrix.
Yo, people, welcome to my Twitch. Hit that follow button, don't be a bitch. Yo, people, welcome to my Twitch. Hit that follow button, don't be a bitch, okay? We're gonna make it happen, we're gonna have it fun. If you don't like it, better